Now let's do the setup of React Native Vectors icon, because we need this all the icons. Alright, to set up the React Native Vectors icon, we have to search React Native Vector icons. Alright, once you search React Native Vectors icon, you will went to this website, this npm website. You have to click on this. Once you click on this, you see one command, npm I React Native Vectors icon. Copy this command, open your VS Code, open your terminal, and close the server if you are running, and paste the command npm I React Native Vectors icons. Once you run this command, after that you have to go back to the browser, scroll down, and once you scroll down, you can see one code that is called apply code. You have to copy this code apply from node modulus code. Once you copy this code, as you can see that you have to add this code inside the Android app build.gradle. Alright, not Android build.gradle. So first of all, we have to go to the Android app build.gradle. Now let's go. So let's collapse this all the folder. I'm gonna go inside the Android app build. Oh, my bad. We have to go inside Android app build.gradle. So let's go back again, Android app, and we are having a build.gradle. As you can see that Android app build.gradle. Alright, and we have to paste this command like this, and we had set up the React Native Vectors icon. Now once you set up the React Native Vectors icon, you have to again restart your server. Alright, now it will starting the server. Now let's wait for some second to show the option. Now I'm gonna press the A to start the server, or to start the server on our emulator. Alright, now how to use React Native Vectors icon? To use the React Native Vectors icon, we have to, okay, before that let me summarize once more what we had done. First of all, we had installed this package npm I React Native Vectors icon. After that, we had copied this command apply code apply from file, and we went to the Android app build.gradle, and we had just pasted this code. Alright, and after that we are able to good to use the React Native Vectors icon. Okay, now to use the React Native Vectors icon, we have to write React Native Vectors icon directory. Inside this directory, we'll see this is the website Joel, something like that, React Native Vectors icon directory. You have to open this directory. Here we can see a list of icons. So you can see that all the kind of icon like and design icon, font awesome icon, and many more others. Now we want this icon. If you see on the Figma, we need this menu icon and the search icon. We have to search lines. Alright, once you search line, you can see that a graph lines are coming. This is the icon which we want for our app. Alright, now let's go back, and we have to use it. Alright, so how we can use it? So we have to just copy this a name of the icon and the from where it is from, and after that you have to go to the home screen. Here we are adding one command that is called icons, and here we have to write import and whatever the name is it. So we are defining font awesome 5, and we are importing it from React Native Vector icons / font awesome 5. Alright, so this is how we import the React Native Vectors icon. After that, we have to copy this command font awesome 5, and here we have to paste this like this. Alright, and here we have to type the name. So whatever the name is it, we have to just add it. So let's go to the browser and see the name is grip line. So I'm gonna copy this line name, and we're gonna add the grip line. Now after this, once you copy this name, you can see that we are not able to see anything. Now let's add the color as well. So I'm gonna add color is equal to colors dot primary. Okay, there's one more thing which I just want to add. Inside the constant, I created one file name. It's called color.js. The file name will be colors.js instead of color.js. So I make the colors.js. Alright, now here we are importing. We have to also correct this. If you are using color, so you have to make it colors.js. Alright, now after that, here we're gonna write colors dot icon primary. Alright, now let's see. We can see our icon size here of too much smaller, so let's make it size bigger. So I'm gonna make it, the size will be 30 for now. So now you can see the icon size. Alright, now first of all, let me summarize this once more. First of all, what we had done, first of all, we went to this React Native Vector icon directory. Here we are importing, we are search for the line icon, and once we search the line icon we get to this icon. So we are using font awesome 5 and we are using grip lines. After that we had import the font awesome 5 from the React Native vectors icon slash font awesome 5. After that we had defined the font awesome 5 and we had defined the name. Okay, and we are having a color will be colors.primary and the size is 30.